So today then we are looking at translations, okay? We're using the basic ones and with column vectors, okay? Something slightly different that we see at Gcse. So here is a very basic question, okay? On the grid, translate the shaded shape P by 2 units to the right and 3 units up. Then label the new shape R. So let's get a highlighter. So this keyword translate, 2 units to the right and 3 units up. Okay, this word translate just means move. Okay, it doesn't mean twist or rotate. It doesn't mean reflect. It just means move. Pick it up, put it somewhere else. Easy as that. You'll see it's with 2 marks. So now if we were to pick this shape up and move it, okay, the easiest way to work this out will be to pick a vertex, okay, or a corner. Let's just pick one. It doesn't make a difference which one. I'm going to go for this bottom left-hand corner. Again, it doesn't make a difference which one we use, okay? So pick a corner. Okay, it's called a vertex. And then we're going to follow these instructions. So 2 units to the right, so 1, 2, and then 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. So our shape is going to move 2 units to the right, 3 units up. So this part of the shape is now going to start there. So then if I draw this shape when it's been translated, you can see it's exactly the same size, okay? It's exactly the same shape, just been moved to a different place. Label the new shape R. Easy as that. Translate just means move. So that's the basic ones. We then have these column vectors. So that keyword then, translate, which means move, by the vector 4, minus 3. Okay. It looks similar to a coordinate, however, the coordinates, obviously, they have them side by side, like this, x value and a y value. This top one here is now our x value, okay? It tells us whether we're moving left or right. So this top one here is left or right, and then this bottom one here is up or down. Okay, now think of a number line. Okay, on a number line you have negative values, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So if it was a negative value on the top here, whether it's left or right, that means you'll be going left. So if it's negative, it'll be going left. If it's positive, it'll be going right. But then with up or down, then think of a thermometer. We have 0, 1, 2, and then -1, -2. If it is positive, that means it's going up. And if it's negative, it's going down. So with these here then, negative would be left, positive would be right, up then is our positive values, and then down would be our negative values. So then if we were to translate that shape with using this column vector, we have 4 here to the left or right, but it's a positive number. So this means this shape has to move 4 units to the right. So let's pick a vertex. Let's go for that one there. Let's move 4 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got -3. Well, negative means going down because that's the number line here. So then if I go down 3 places, 1, 2, 3. So this shape now has to move down there, but it stays exactly the same size. It can't be rotated. Just pick it up as it is, pop it somewhere else. As you can see, I've got 2 squares going up one square across the bottom, join it up. So translate the triangle using the vector 4, 3, 4 across, 3 down, okay? I'm going to the right because it's positive, and I'm going down because it's negative. So make a note of those, write them down, put a little cloud around them. They're very, very important. So we've had basic translations, and now column vector translations. How about though, if we had to describe what is happening? So describe fully the single transformation that will map shape P onto shape Q. So from here down to there. Okay, has it got bigger? No. Has it been reflected? No. It is the same shape, just been translated. It has moved. But how far has it moved? Well, again, let's pick a vertex, pick a corner. I'm going to go for that top left corner there. So it has moved, so it is translated. So we translate, remember across first, 1, 2, 3 units to the right. So 3 units to the right. So if I'm now here, you can see I now need to move 1 unit down. So then 1 unit down. Key word to use though is that with the translate, okay? Remember those words, translate, reflect, enlarge, rotate, all these different words you need to remember. Translate is just when you move. Don't forget to count the squares and always pick a corner, and then that is going to be your new one on the different shape as well. Okay, be careful of the words, highlight will always help, write down the notes and have a good practice. Hope it helps.